Keeping it clean. Master your English while organizing and decluttering. Hello, language learners. Today, we're going to explore a very practical area of everyday English, talking about organizing and decluttering. Learning these phrases and sentences will not only help improve your English language skills, but also make your daily routine more productive. Let's dive into the world of cleanliness and organization. Firstly, we need to understand some key words and phrases. Declutter, to remove unnecessary items from an area or space. Organize, to arrange things in a systematic way. Sort out, to arrange or separate items into groups. Dispose, to get rid of, usually refers to throwing something away. Recycle, to convert waste into reusable material. Here's an example sentence for practice. After I declutter my workspace, I feel more productive. Now that we have some vocabulary under our belts, let's talk about the process. We often start by sorting out our items. Example: first, I sort out my clothes into 2 piles, one for keeping and one for donation. Next, we might organize our remaining items. Example: I organize my books alphabetically on the shelf. Finally, we dispose of or recycle the items we no longer need. Example: I dispose of the old newspapers and recycle the glass bottles. Organizing and decluttering are not just physical activities, they also have psychological benefits. Here are some phrases you might use to describe these benefits. Decluttering helps to clear my mind. When my space is organized, I can focus better. Getting rid of unnecessary items frees up space in my home. And there you have it, everyone. Today we've learned about organizing and decluttering. Remember, practicing these phrases and sentences in your everyday life will not only help you improve your English, but it will also help create a more organized environment. We hope you found this video useful. Keep practicing, and stay organized.